Here we have the pre-chill test in the soilless compound of two samples side by side. On this side we have the good that I've already talked to you about, and on this side we have the poor. And you always have to have a control in place to be able to use it as a benchmark. And what we're usually looking for is a sample that has a reasonably good vigor and germination so that we can repeat those results. And we use this control to ensure that not only are we making sure that our equipment's working properly, but we're able to use it as a comparison against all the other tests that are coming through that day. And I'm using this one here just to show you that in this case we have the good that's over 95% of vigor and the poor that's around 65%, and you can immediately see that a good 40% of these seeds haven't developed just by the amount of space again that's on this particular dish. And incidentally, that's not how we assess vigor. We do have to, look at all the attributes and why this seed is actually doing what it's doing. It's more than just a visual and seeing that there's a lot of soil showing. So we would have to start digging around in this soil to see if we can find seedlings or seeds that have either started to grow or have actually not even grown at all. So I'm going to just pull this over so that we can have a closer look at what's going on with this and why it's lacking vigor. Now, I would see, because I'm not able to actually pull up any abnormals, it would tell me that all the seeds in this case have actually died. So I know that this sample is related to the sample that I talked to you before about that has high moisture and has started to decay in storage because of high moisture, and I'm not finding any sign of life whatsoever, and the seeds that were dead have decayed and disappeared in that 12-day period. So what we're looking at here is a 65 or less vigor, and even though all of these seeds have grown reasonably well, we're missing a good portion of the number of seeds, and we don't even have any abnormals, so we know that under stressful conditions this has actually killed off all the abnormals as well. So it's only those that are still performing relatively strongly that we're able to have any germination or vigor number at all.